As you probably already know, there are still many people buying word puzzles around the world, and actually word puzzles have a low competition in the market sphere because it's hard to make. The truth is, who wants to take 500 words and scramble them up and make it into one of those word puzzles where you have to find the words in a square box of letters? In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily create puzzle books and how to make money selling them on Amazon. Hi, I'm Winston the Solopreneur Warrior, and in this video, I'm going to show you a software you can use to make all kinds of puzzle books to sell on Amazon or Kindle Direct Publishing. But before we get into all that, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in making monies online from scratch, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Puzzle books are evergreen in high demand, and the buyers usually make more than just one purchase at a time. Just make a search on Amazon for puzzle books and you'll see books with hundreds if not thousands of reviews left on some of the top selling puzzle books on Amazon. During these hard times when everyone is trying to keep busy at home, there is one thing that will keep people active, and that is puzzle books. Puzzles will help keep people's mind active, it will keep them less bored, and the books are cheap to purchase off of Amazon. The people who love to do puzzles are passionate and they can't get enough of it. Selling puzzle books on Amazon is really easy to set up and there isn't any competition. These types of books sell well all year long and they really crush it towards the end of the year. Selling puzzle books is really simple. Anyone can do it. You don't need any social media following, a website or a list. You don't even need to know anything about puzzle. But there is still one major problem when it comes to making money with puzzle books, and that is creating the book itself. Puzzle books are simply hard to make. You can create the puzzle books yourself, but that will take you days if not weeks trying to assemble a single puzzle. Another way is to hire an expensive freelancer, and that is just to create one single book. However, if you choose to use the Puzzle Book Mastery software, the heavy lifting will be done for you. All you need to do is create a puzzle book using this software, add a book cover and upload it on Amazon, Kindle Direct Publishing or Etsy. Any of these book publishing platforms will help sell the book for you. Now, before I show you how to make puzzle books using this software, here is what you'll be getting together with the Puzzle Book Mastery software. You'll be getting a complete training on how to set things up, an over-the-shoulder case study, a quick start cheat sheet, and access to the software members area. Check out how you can use the Puzzle Mastery software to create a puzzle book in just seconds.
I'm going to log into my account at Puzzle Book Mastery and make 3 different types of puzzle books in less than a minute. Okay, I am logging in. I'm going to start with word search puzzles. I am going to make 200 of them. Here they are. I'll go back and explain what these are. But let me continue. I'm going to make 500 cryptograms. And one more, I am going to make 200 Sudoku puzzles. Okay, all 3 books are created. What you're seeing here is the content of the books. So this is a Sudoku puzzles. I made 200, came out to a 250-page book, because the answers are at the end, like this. Here's the cryptograms. I made 500, came out to a 261-page book. There's 4 on a page, the answer's at the bottom, and there's 1 extra sheet which gives hints so people can solve the puzzles. And here's the word search. Puzzles, 200 of these, came out to 250 pages because it includes the answers at the end.
Now, here are some other creative things you can do with your puzzle books. You can use them as giveaways in your marketing strategy. You can market them on eBay, Etsy, or other specialized market. If you think you're interested in creating and selling puzzle books online, I will recommend you to check out the Puzzle Book Mastery software and the complete puzzle book online marketing. I'll be dropping the link to this software in the description box below this video, and with that, I'll wrap up this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.